This is 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 6. Let's go. He threw up on my bed this morning. Again, every time I put a new sheet on that bed, he throws up on it. Up first for the Jazz, Jared Butler to 99. Paul Andrew. Next, for the Raptors, 299, Pascal Siakam. No, because one of them unless he hates it that much. No, because they're not fresh. Like, I don't think you'd be able to smell it. Who the hell has the Raptors in this break? Oh, I need to go find it. Cody Johnson. That's true. Maybe it's his. He just smells it. To 99, Brandon Boston Jr. For the Clippers. LA Clippers, Starbar Lane. And finally, but Brooks is made of the same, would be washed with the same stuff, and he doesn't throw up on her bed. Okay, well, I've ruined that. Okay, thanks. It's Davion Mitchell, Prime, 44 of 49, patch auto. The Sacramento Kings. Sean Jamieson, congratulations. And that is that in 1 and 1. It's so on and so forth.